dirty seats, wet floors, and the spreading of harmful germs and bad smell. Many people avoid using public toilets because it's unhygienic and unsafe. This project aims to solve the common hygiene problems by creating an automatic self-cleaning toilet seat system. It uses Arduino and sensors to clean the floors and seats of the toilet.
Main components used here are Arduino UNO, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, water pumping relay module, LCD display.
Ultrasonic sensors detects when the user leaves the toilet seat. The Arduino receives this signal and starts cleaning. The servo motor rotates the toilet seat for proper washing and drying. The water pump sprays disinfectant and water on both the seat and floor. After cleaning, the pump stops and the system will wait for the next user. The entire process happens automatically, ensuring clean and fresh toilets every time.